Hi, I've gotten several questions this week about the homestead exemption. Now that you've filed it, how does it help you? What does it do for you? So there are two ways actually that the homestead exemption is helpful. First off, I want to mention that there is a difference between the appraised value on your home and the assessed value on your home. The appraised value is the value that the county says your home is worth on January 1st of that year. The assessed value is the value that you're actually being taxed at, and those can be different, and I'll explain how. First off, when you file your homestead exemption, the first thing that you're going to see is a reduction in your property taxes because some of the taxing entities will give you a discount off of that appraised value. So, for instance, or off of the assessed value actually. So, for instance, let's say that this is the first year that you've owned your home and the county has appraised your home at 300,000. That is also the assessed value. So that's the value that they're going to tax you at. But some of the taxing entities will give you a discount off of that appraised value or off of that assessed value of a certain amount. So let's start with the school district, for instance. Most of the time, the school district will give you a discount of at least 25,000 off of the assessed value. So appraised value this year is 300,000. Your assessed value is also 300,000. They're going to reduce that to 275,000 so that they are taxing you on a value of 275,000. So that you'll see immediately, and several of the taxing entities will have some kind of discount. Secondly, and probably most importantly right now, is that it also reduces the amount that your property can be assessed, or the increase in the amount that your property can be assessed for every year. So you can only have an increased assessed value of up to 10%. So that means that let's say that this is the first year you've owned your home on January 1st. Your home is worth 300,000 and you're being assessed and taxed at 300,000 minus your homestead exemptions. The following year, the county comes back and says your home is now worth 350,000. The assessed value can only go up by 10%. So you can go from 300 to 330,000, and that's the amount that you'll be taxed on. Then they'll subtract out your homestead exemption discounts, even though your home is appraised at 330,000. So let's say that we're in year two, your new assessed value is 330,000. The school district is reducing your what they'll tax you on by up to 25,000. So they are going to tax you at 305,000. Now let's go to, we're in year three, and now the county has said that your house is worth 400,000. They can only increase it by 10% per year on that assessed value. So the appraised value will show as 400,000, but the assessed value will now be 363,000. 300,000, 10% more is 330,000, 10% more is 363,000. That's the most they can assess you at. Now, that can continue, and the more appreciation that you see in your area, the bigger the discount that you'll see from your appraised value to your assessed value. So it can make a big difference, especially in the market that we've been in recently where we have high appreciation rates. I hope this helps. If there's anything else I can do for you, please reach out. Thank you.